Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm just gonna give you guys welcome back to my channel. My name is Miriam, and I'm just doing a quick rice water update for you guys. I know the last time I did my rice water challenge, I was telling you guys I had a lot of problem areas, so I just want to show you guys like how I had a little growth in the areas that I said that was bothering me a lot. So I had these like mini twists that I did. I had them in for like a week and a half. I washed them like 3 days ago. Now they air dried. But now I'm going to apply more rice water on there to see if I can get more and more hair growth. So I've been doing it like, I do it like a moisturizer. So I've been doing it, and then I will seal it with some of my olive oil. But I've been spraying on my hair. I'll show you guys. And also I also add rose water to my rice water. So I feel like it's been growing my hair. You can see like it's a lot of new growth for just a week of me having these twists that I did in my hair. And it's just because it's Ramadan right now, so Ramadan Mubarak to everyone. And so I don't want to do like a low maintenance style because I don't feel like dealing with my hair and I'm fasting and all that. So I just wanted to show you guys what I do to refresh my hair every day, to keep it moisturized. And I am doing the rice water because most of the time when I have protective styling, I like to do my rice water because I feel like when it's dirty the most, it works. But I have been washing it. So I did wash it 3 days ago, like I said, and condition it, and then with the mini twist in. I haven't took the mini twist out. So now I'm just gonna apply some oil on my hand and put it on the ends. But I don't really want to put too much oil on my scalp, just mostly on my ends to like seal in the rice water that I put on my hair. And so this is what I have been doing. Yeah, like I said, I want like something low maintenance. Since it's Ramadan, I want to feel like dealing with my hair. But I still want to look decent. I still want to look decent for the house. So yeah, so that's my rice water update. Make sure you guys like and subscribe to my channel, Miriam's Way, and give the video a big thumbs up. If you want to see more content from me, let me know. I don't have no makeup on. Like I said, I'm fasting, so do not be judging me. Okay. Okay. All right. Thank you guys. Bye.